Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Welcome to our video on how to make passive income online in 2023. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to find ways to earn money without having to trade your time for it. That's where passive income comes in. Passive income is money that you earn with minimal effort on your part. In this video, we're going to show you some of the best ways to make passive income online in 2023. 1. Invest in dividend-paying stocks or index funds. One of the easiest ways to earn passive income is to invest in dividend-paying stocks or index funds. Dividend-paying stocks are companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. Index funds, on the other hand, are a type of mutual fund that tracks a particular market index, such as the S&P 500. Both of these investments pay out regular dividends to shareholders, which can provide a steady stream of income without requiring much effort on your part. 2. Create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell online courses to help others learn. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera make it easy to create and sell online courses. This can be a great way to earn passive income, as you only need to create the course once and then continue to sell it for years to come. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought about by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. As an affiliate, you promote a product or service on your website or social media channels, and if someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. 4. Build a niche website or blog. Building a niche website or blog that generates a significant amount of traffic can be a great way to earn passive income. Once you have built a sizable audience, you can monetize your site through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. 5. Invest in rental properties. Investing in rental properties can be a great way to earn passive income. As a landlord, you will collect rent from tenants, which can provide a steady stream of income without much effort on your part. The key to making this work is to invest in properties that are in high demand and located in good areas. 6. Create a YouTube channel and monetize it. Creating a YouTube channel and building a large audience can be a great way to earn passive income. Once you have a sizable audience, you can monetize your channel through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. You can also make money by creating and selling merchandise related to your channel, or by offering paid subscriptions or memberships. 7. Create an app or a game and monetize it. If you have the skills to create an app or a game, this can be a great way to earn passive income. Once you have built a popular app or game, you can monetize it through advertising, in-app purchases, and other monetization methods. Passive income is a great way to earn money without having to trade your time for it. However, it's important to remember that making passive income often requires an initial investment of time or money, and it's not guaranteed. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. We hope this video has given you some ideas on how to make passive income online in 2023. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.